The St. Andrews South Police have charged 38-year-old Imanie Niah Lydner, an unemployed resident of Crescent Road, Kingston 13, for the murder of Price Johnson. Lydner has also been charged with housebreaking and wounding with intent in connection to the incident, which took place on Thursday, February 6th at the victim's home. However, in a strange turn of events, Johnson's mother, speaking in a television interview, insisted that Lydner is not responsible for the crime. She claimed he was nowhere near the scene at the time of the murder, casting doubt on the case. Lydner remains in police custody as investigations continue. It's definitely unusual for a grieving mother to publicly defend someone accused of her child's murder, especially when the police have laid formal charges. It suggests there's something deeper going on. Maybe she knows about other people involved, or she has information that contradicts the police's version of events. It's also possible she's scared. Maybe speaking out in that way is her way of sending a message without directly putting herself at risk. If there are bigger players behind this crime, she might not be in a position to say everything she really knows. Either way, her reaction makes this case even more suspicious. If she's so confident that Imanie is innocent, the next question is, who does she think is really responsible?